Hello everyone! Today I wanted to show you how to resize a pixel art canvas so you can upload it into social media. So this one is pretty tiny. As you can see, it's 80 pixels. So at least we want to upload it into 1500. So instead of resizing the original one, I don't want to lose the quality of this one, just in case I want to change some things. So we need to save it, and for that we are going to save it into PNG because it's the one that has more quality. I'm going to save it into the iPad, and now we are going to create a new canvas. So in here I have my new canvas. It's 1600 and it's a multiple of 80, and I like to use multiples because the pixels will keep the same kind of length. We are going to import our saved one. And as you can see, it's super tiny, it's only 80 pixels wide. First of all, we need to make sure the interpolation is nearest neighbor, so our pixels will keep super crisp. And then we only just have to click in Fit to Canvas, and as you can see, it looks awful right now, but once we deselect, it looks amazing, it looks super crispy. As you can see, it maintained all of the details. And now you can save it and upload it into Instagram, Twitter, wherever you want. And if you want to create super cute illustrations with pixel art, you can check out my new Procreate brushes. It's also available for Photoshop. So as you can see, it's 35 brushes and it comes with a lot of textures, materials, and anything you need to make these cute illustrations. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!